Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your man, Kevin R. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting a travel story that'll make people feel like they're right there with you. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just starting to explore, these tips will help you create stories that'll hook your audience from the first word to the last. Let's do this. Look, we've all been there, right? You come back from an epic trip and you want to tell everyone about it. But here's the thing, just going on a trip doesn't automatically make a compelling story. It's like climbing Mount Everest is insane, right? But getting to the airport, not so much. Your journey is a collection of moments, and not all of them are going to be winners. Your job? To sift through those moments, pick out the gold, and string them together into a narrative that'll blow people's minds. Think of it like this, you're a sculptor, and your experiences are the clay. You gotta mold them, shape them, and chisel away the excess to reveal the masterpiece underneath. All right, so you've got your story, your masterpiece in the making. But what's it all about? What's the point? Sometimes the purpose of a trip is crystal clear. That goal, that burning desire, it gives your story a backbone, something for the reader to latch onto. But let's be real. Not every trip is about conquering Everest. Sometimes it's about getting lost, about wandering without a map and seeing where the road takes you. Even in those cases, you need a personal goal, something that drives you, that keeps you moving. Remember, your goal is the engine of your story. It's what propels you forward. All right, let's talk about editing. Think of it like this. You've got this incredible feast laid out in front of you, but you've only got one stomach. You gotta pick and choose the best bits, the tastiest morsels, and leave the rest. The same goes for your writing. You've got all these experiences swirling around in your head, but you gotta be ruthless. Cut out the fluff, the boring bits, the stuff that doesn't serve your story. Every sentence, every word has to earn its place. If a detail doesn't add to the story, if it doesn't make it more exciting, more engaging, then it's gotta go. But trust me, the end result, a tight, focused narrative, will be worth it. You know how they say, first impressions are everything? Well, in the world of writing, your first paragraph is your opening act. It's your chance to grab the reader by the eyeballs and say, hey you, yeah, you, get in here. This is going to be good. Start with a bang. Drama, humor, a bizarre observation, whatever it takes to capture their attention. Think about the stories that have hooked you, the ones you couldn't put down. Start with a tense moment, a pivotal scene, and then backtrack to fill in the details later. Let's talk dialogue, baby. You know, the way people actually talk. It's amazing how a few well-placed lines of dialogue can inject life into your writing, make your characters jump off the page, and your stories feel real. Think about it. Which one is more captivating? The old woman smiled and handed me a cup of tea. Or chai. You want chai? Good, good, she croaked, thrusting a steaming cup into my hands. See the difference? Dialogue adds flavor. It adds personality. So pay attention to the way people speak when you're traveling. Jot down interesting phrases, unique slang, the way their words sound rolling off their tongues. These little details, they make all the difference. So there you have it, my friends, my top tips for crafting travel stories that'll make people feel like they've got their own personal passport to adventure. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe for more travel, storytelling goodness. And hey, the most important thing is to keep exploring, keep writing, and keep sharing your stories with the world. Peace out.